Hi friends, my name is Daejah McCormick and I'm the sous chef here at Methodist Theological School in Ohio. We are home to Seminary Hill Farm, and today I will be showing you how to make a recipe based on the items in your CSA share. Today we are focusing on a very popular salad in Lebanon called Tabbouleh. It's a very fresh dish, and I chose it because it utilizes a lot of the ingredients we're growing on the farm, such as parsley, cucumber, tomatoes, and scallions. So in our first bowl, we have cucumbers and tomatoes. When you're preparing this dish, because both tomatoes and cucumbers have a lot of water, you'll want to dice them up really small, put them in a bowl with salt, and let them sit so all the excess water drains out. And then you want to put them in a strainer of some sort and make sure it's all out of there before you add it, unless you'll get a really soupy tabbouleh. Which, if you're adding bulk to it, because this usually entails using bulgur, but I'm not going to utilize that today since I want to keep it gluten-free. A lot of liquid isn't too bad. Next we have here quite a bunch of parsley, I think 10 cups. Yeah. We have some mint, red wine vinegar, lemon juice, salt and pepper, garlic, lemon zest, and scallions. So with the lemon zest, it's not a traditional part of the recipes as far as I've seen, but I like utilizing all of the lemon. So we have that here. Mint, I might have been heavy-handed on the mint, but I enjoy mint, so we're gonna use a lot. Red wine is also not called for, but I didn't feel like juicing a lot of lemon, so this pairs really well with lemon juice. Now it's time to combine all our ingredients. We're gonna start with our tomatoes and cucumbers. And see, there's still quite a bit of liquid in there, but it'll be fine. I will be adding all of my solid ingredients before I add my liquid. Parsley next, the star of the dish. Mint. Our scallions, lemon zest, and garlic. And I want to give this a good mix first, and then we'll add our red wine vinegar and our lemon juice. Tomorrow I will be serving this to our farmers and some of the kitchen staff, and I may or may not add lentils to give it some bulk and also keep it gluten-free. All right, red wine, lemon juice, salt and pepper. Maybe not. Another mix. And of course, you just want to mix until you feel everything is thoroughly combined. All right. And that is your tabbouleh minus the bulgur. It's fresh, it's good, but I'm definitely missing the bulgur. And bulgur is just a whole grain that is parboiled and dried. And if you wanted more bulk, you could literally add any grain. I'm a big fan of farro, quinoa, pick your poison. But from all of us here at MTSO and Seminary Hill Farm, enjoy.